What happens if we put ice in the microwave? Let's check out. Okay, I'm putting some ice in the water. You can see. And I'm putting some what and I'm putting the ice in the bowl and microwave proof bowl just like so, and I'm putting water too in here in the microwave proof bowl. Then I'm gonna put the ice and put it in the microwave and um and take the water and put it on the microwave too, just like so. And I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna on it. I'm gonna start, and 1 minute is enough, I think. Now it's starting. 45 seconds more, 30 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Now I'm ready to take it out. The water is so hot, but the ice didn't melt at all. So hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel and hit that like button.